Are you ready to combine the storage capacity of a tank with the energy efficiency and durability of tankless? The Rinnai Demand Duo's part-tank, part-tankless hybrid design smartly combines the best of both technologies to deliver an amazing 315 gallons of hot water in the first hour. With the Demand Duo, heating takes place in the heat exchanger of the tankless, not inside the tank, eliminating thermal stress. This allows the Demand Duo to utilize the full capacity of the tank. Over 200 pounds lighter and with connections similar to standard tanks and easily replaceable parts, the Demand Duo is no sweat to install and maintain. And that means fewer total replacements and a longer life, combined with a warranty that's more than double of most tanks. The Demand Duo 2 comes with Duo Smart Tank technology components, and its built-in redundancy saves space. Plus, the new Demand Duo 2V saves even more space. And the non-condensing Demand Duo series readily connects to 6-inch B-vent, eliminating venting material costs. So now you are ready to get the best of tank and tankless with the Rinnai Demand Duo.